Colorado, and this was only about a month or two ago, mid-30s female homemaker, rear-ended, moderate damage to the vehicle. DMX study showed abnormal lateral translation, positive smooth pursuit neck test, positive quantitative sensor tests, which are things that every doctor can do. Approximately $40,000 in past medical bills over 3.5 years. In terms of the cases that we do, that's not much, actually. And State Farm offered $35,000 to settle this case. The lawyers used Rick Friedman's polarizing the case technique, as well as some other things that are done by trial guides out there. And the jury verdict with cost and interest came out to be $1 million. Okay? So this is a case with abnormal neck movement and relatively minimal bills, $40,000 over 3.5 years after the collision, $1 million verdict basically. So how do we prove it? DMX studies or radiographs including flexion extension and lateral flexion APOMs. I think the DMXs are just a lot easier. You're going to see things. This is a big deal. People will often ask me, isn't it true if we do these flexion and extension studies or even the lateral APOMs or some of these other things, aren't we going to see the same thing that the DMX is going to show because we're going to see it at maximum translation or maximum movement? And I'm going to tell you, no. The answer is actually no. Sometimes you'll see more movement during the process of the range of motion than you will see at the end range. I'm going to show you a shoulder case, even though I don't do a lot of shoulder cases. I'm going to show you one where exactly that happens. It looks completely normal at the beginning, looks completely normal at the end, and in the middle of it, all of a sudden you're going, wow, that's not normal. So